Oh, yeah, I'm awesome. I'm awesome. You're not. You're not.
Okay, Marnell, we get it. You won the game.
One tried dominating.
You played well, Marnell.
What's that, loser? Haha, just kidding, just kidding.
Listen, Marnell, I think you should tone it down a little.
You're just a sore loser, Jason. You're just mad that I destroyed you in the game.
I'm not mad at all. You played well, and you won.
Yeah, we're not mad at you. You're a great player.
It's just that...
Just what?
Do you realize how you act when you win?
Of course I do. I act like a champion. Yeah, baby. Woohoo!
That's what we're talking about.
You have poor sportsmanship.
What? I'm not a sore loser because I never lose, baby. Yeah.
No, Marnell, listen. How many people are willing to play with you besides us?
Well, I don't know. Listen, I just like playing with you guys anyway.
You play with us because no one else will play with you.
Not because you're a sore loser.
Because you're a sore winner.
A sore winner? What's that?
Whether you win or lose, it's important how you play.
Don't get too upset when you lose.
But also when you win, don't brag or rub it in.
No one likes that.
It's okay to celebrate and be happy for winning.
But you take it too far.
Why do you guys still play with me?
You're our friend.
And that's why we're telling you how your lack of sportsmanship makes us feel.
Well, thanks for being good friends. I'll pay more attention to how I act next time we play together.
Let's go play another game right now.
Sounds great. Now I know we all feel like winners, no matter what the score is.
Now you've got it.
So, what are you doing this weekend? I don't know. Probably going to the park. I think I'm going to have a friend over, too. Sounds great. I think. Holy cow. What's up, Dana? What's up? What's up? Are you kidding me? No, seriously. We have no idea why you're so upset. Upset? Upset? Do I look upset? Actually, yeah. Okay. Calm down, Dana. Yeah, relax. Calm down? Relax? Hey, I feel much better. How did I do that? You focused on your breathing and forgot about your problems. Wow, that was simple. Calming yourself down is the first thing you need to do when you get angry about a problem. That's right. It's hard to solve your problems or come up with solutions when you're angry. You're right. It makes it so hard to think when you get angry. There are other things you can do too when you're upset. I like to draw. I like to count to 10. Does it help to talk to a friend? Of course. We're in this together. Everybody gets angry sometimes, even us. Hey, Dana, what made you so angry in the first place? I left an iPad outside in the rain, and now it won't work. Oh, man, that would make me so angry. Well, actually, Tracy, it was your iPad. Grrr. Deep breath, Tracy, deep breath.
Hey, Erica, I saw that stupid toy you brought to Morning Circle. I can't believe you brought that in to share. You didn't like it? It's one of my favorite toys. It was a baby toy, and that makes you a big baby. And no one is going to want to play with a big baby like you. You don't think anyone will want to play with me? Nope. I know I don't. You're so boring, too, and your clothes are silly, not cool like mine. This is hurting my feelings. Why are you being so mean to me? 'Cause I can. It's fun. In fact, it's so much fun, I'm going to ask Cheryl to come over and join in my new game. It's called Teasing Erica. Oh, not again. Hey, Cheryl, come on over here. I'm playing a new game. You want to join? Hey, guys, what's the game? Oh, Erica isn't playing the game. Erica is the game. And the game is called Teasing Erica. It's so easy because there are so many things to tease Erica about. Go ahead, Cheryl, you try. That doesn't sound like fun. That sounds mean, Karen. It's okay, Cheryl. Karen does this to me all the time. Karen likes to have her friends join in to tease me, too. No, Erica, it's not okay. It's bullying. Oh, come on, Cheryl. Why are you getting so serious? I was just joking around. It doesn't sound like joking around. It sounds like bullying. And Erica, you don't have to take it. I don't? No, Karen thinks that she can tease you and get others to join in as some kind of game, but it's not a game. And I bet it bothers you, Erica, doesn't it? It does, but I didn't know what to do about it. There's nothing you can do about it, Erica. I won't stop. Oh, yes, you will, because you are not only bothering Erica with your bullying, you are bothering me. So what? I'll tell you so what. Look out there. You see them? They don't like your bullying either, and we aren't going to let you continue to bully our friend or anyone. Hey, guys, do we allow bullying at our school?
No!
I'm not looking for trouble. Good, Karen, because we don't want you to get in trouble. But you need to change your attitude. What do you mean? Well, for starters, think about how you would feel to be Erica getting teased and picked on by not only one person, but by a whole group of people. How would that feel if the bully chose you to pick on? Wow, probably feel horrible. Maybe kind of scary. It wouldn't feel like a game, would it? I guess not. Hey, Erica, I'm really sorry for teasing you. It was wrong. I won't ever do it again. Thank you, Karen. I forgive you. Guys, speaking of games, I have a fun one we can all play, and it's bully-free. Let's go. Hey, Kim, what happened to the new student in our class? I don't know. They must have been in an accident. Maybe they broke their legs sliding into second base. That happened to my brother one summer. Maybe we should ask them. Is it okay to ask? Won't that make them upset? Hi, girls. I overheard you talking about our new student. Would you like to meet her? Hi, Jen. This is Faith and Kim. Hi, it's nice to meet you. How do you like our school so far? It's great, guys. Thank you. I heard you had a question for me. Oh, I'm sorry. Did you hear us talking over there? We didn't mean to upset you. It's okay. I'm not upset. You guys are just curious about why I'm in a wheelchair, right? Well, kinda. Or even an accident? Is your leg broken? That happened to my brother, and he needed a wheelchair for a while until his leg healed. No, I wasn't in an accident, and my leg isn't broken. I was born with a disability that makes it hard for me to use the muscles in my legs. A disability? So you always need a wheelchair? Yes, it helps me get around so I can do the things that you guys do. So you can still do everything we can do even though you're in a wheelchair? Not everything, but I don't let my disability stop me. I love to play sports, do art, and FaceTime with my friends on my iPad. Cool, I like all those things too. There are some things that are hard for me, and sometimes I need extra help, but I have learned how to do a lot of things for myself. Do people treat you differently because of your disability? Sometimes. I think most of the time people are just curious or don't understand why I'm in a wheelchair. That's why I'm glad you guys came over to talk to me and get to know me. I'm glad we did too. I'm glad to have you as my new friend. Hey Jen, we have a whole bunch of students out there watching us right now. What would you like them to know about people with disabilities? Well, I would like them to remember that a disability isn't who you are. It's just something about you that makes you a little different. But we all have things about us that make us different, and that's not a bad thing. And don't forget, people with disabilities can do almost all the same things that you can. They just might need a little help.
food your mom brought to our class party was so good.
Thanks, Rachel. I was so glad your dad brought the drinks. I was so thirsty.
Hey, Patty. Did you have fun at the party?
Oh, yeah, it was fun meeting everyone's families.
You're so lucky. Both of your parents were able to come.
I know, I was so excited. I'm glad they didn't embarrass me.
Hey, Patty, I had a question, but I don't want to make you upset or anything.
Hey, we're friends. You can ask me anything.
Well, I noticed that your mom and dad have different skin colors.
Yep, that's right. Sometimes people notice that. My mom is African American and my dad is white.
Oh, wow, that's interesting.
I think it's cool.
Thanks, guys. Sometimes kids have teased me about it. I could never understand why. They're the best parents I could ever ask for.
Yeah, it's just that their skins are different colors.
Kids teased you? That's crazy. Why would they do that?
I think sometimes people tease each other about things that they notice are different about a person.
That's horrible.
I agree. I think things that make us different are the things that make us most interesting.
It's true, we're all different in some way.
It could be how we look,
How we talk,
The foods we eat?
and the things we believe in.
I always thought those differences make us special in a good way.
Those differences do make us special in a good way.
Sometimes there are people in the world that don't like these differences.
What can we do to help those people?
Well, I think first we have to have hope.
Hope?
Yes, hope. We have hope that they can change.
Change?
Yes, people can change how they see the world and the differences in people.
You guys, it's up to you to keep your minds open and to appreciate all the differences in people all over the world.
We should do more than appreciate the differences of others. We should celebrate them.
Let's all give a round of applause for what makes us different, special, and unique. Let's celebrate diversity.
That feels great.
It sure does.
Diversity rocks.